In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of contacting DeepSeek support. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. You might want to contact DeepSeek support for assistance with technical issues or to get help with troubleshooting. Their team can provide expert guidance to resolve any concerns you may have. To begin, open the DeepSeek application on your mobile device. Once the app has loaded, locate and click on the horizontal parallel bar icon at the top left corner of the screen. This icon will open the left-hand side chat panel, providing you with a variety of options and settings. Scroll down slightly within this panel, and you will find your name displayed at the top. Click on your name to proceed to the Profile section. After entering your profile, look for the Contact Us option. This will direct you to a new page titled, How Can We Help? This page offers various resources to assist you with any questions or concerns. Here, you need to click on the Messages option, which will guide you to the Contact Support section. Within this section, you will see a button labeled Contact Support. Tap on this button to initiate a chat with customer support. The support chat will open, and you will be greeted with a list of options. These options represent common issues that users often encounter. The list includes a variety of problems people face, from technical difficulties to account-related inquiries. By selecting any of these options, you will be able to start a conversation with the support team to help resolve your issue. If none of the options match your problem, you can always describe your concern directly to the support team through the chat. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.